Hello guys. Today we have a Parker. Wait. What do we have? Wait. What is this? Okay. This is a Lenovo. Yeah, this is a Lenovo. Yeah, it's a Lenovo all-in-one. There's no power. It's not turning on, and yeah, that's all. So step number one. What do you do? It's easy. We have to check for a short on the 19 volts. Okay, how do you check a short on the 19 volts? You start here on the charger. This is where you connect a charger, a charging port, and then from there you will have your 19 volts right there. So what you need your multimeter. Turn it into diode mode or continuous mode, because we want to compare that power rail, the main 19 volts, with ground. We have to make sure that there is no short between those two power rails. So you connect one probe to ground like this, and in my case I prefer to use the positive probe to ground. You start from here. There is a short straight coming from there. Okay, this is fine. It is a short. Okay, I'm gonna explain here. Hold on. Okay guys, I think here the short is coming from the diode, and I will explain my reasons why I'm saying the short is coming from the diode. Okay, anyway, let's try to find the schematic. I'm not sure if it's gonna be possible to find the schematic for this board, but I have to do it. So what we do, we have to go online together. Okay, now we are here online. So what you do, you type the port number. Okay, from the port number, so you type the 11 okay, it's 11133, and then dash 1M. okay, there it is. Okay, let's say 1 M space, and then 48 dots 3. Okay guys, I can't find the schematic here. What they have is they have a BIOS bin file, and I don't need the BIOS bin file. I only need a schematic. Let's use a model number. Okay guys, let's use a model number. It's Lenovo. It's Lenovo. Okay, it's Lenovo Think Center A62 A62s. Schematic A62. Okay, so what you do, you say E62. Okay, sorry, X62 Z. Okay, E62Z schematic diagram. Let's go ahead. Okay, anyway, I can't find the schematic. Let's just repair this board without a schematic. Okay guys, so here we have a diode, but before a diode, let me show you how this thing goes. This is your 19 volts. This pin here, it's your 19 volts coming straight from coming from your charger, and the short is also here. So what you do is the only things that can cause a short here, it's this capacitors here, and this obvious, it can't be this MOSFET. I know for sure after this MOSFET there is no short. Let's see. Okay, there is a short after this MOSFET. Okay, I know what is going on here. This MOSFET, it's shorted. We need to remove it. But it's not shorted to ground, it's just shorted. So the short, I believe, is coming from this side. But let's see. Let's remove this MOSFET. Okay guys, the MOSFET is out. So let's start with the MOSFET. Let's check the MOSFET. Where is it? Here it is. I removed this MOSFET, and the MOSFET is shorted. Okay, so they try everywhere here around. The short was jumping from this side to another side. So now let's see if the short is coming from this side or the short is coming from the other side. So what you do the same thing. You connect one probe to ground. Oh, here there is no short. Then the short is coming from this side, from this section. This is shorted to ground. All right, so now what you're gonna do is easy. Let's start with a physical inspection. You have to check all over. All right, here this doesn't look good, so let's try to clean this dust. Let's clean this dust. What do we have here? And okay, let me show you. You can detect any shorted ceramic capacitor as possible. Let's give it a try. If we can't, but let's give it a try. Okay, there's capacitor there in the middle. Doesn't look good. It seems like there's a track. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we should remove that cap or leave it as it is. Okay, you know what? Let's inject the 19 volts. Let's use a DC bench power supply. Let's use a DC bench power supply to find a short. Okay, so guys, all I did was I removed this capacitor here, and the short is coming from this capacitor. Anyway, why I removed this short, you can see here it's tracked. You see, I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, there's a track, this capacitor, so it's shorted. This is shorted to ground. I mean, this is shorted. Sorry. Okay, so now what do? We go back to our 19 volts. Where's the 19 volts? Where's the 19 volts? Go back to our 19 volts where there is a charge, where there is a charging port. Okay, there it is. Anyway, let's check for shorts. There's a short here. Because why? Because this is ground. Even this capacitor as well. But on the other side, there shouldn't be any shorts. And there is no shorts. There is no shorts at all. And again, remember that this MOSFET here, it was shorted, right? So I won't waste any time. Let's put it back. Let's put this MOSFET back. Even though it's shorted, it's okay. Okay guys, anyway, I'm done. The PC is working. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue with some other stuff. Sharp.